You're a baker, not a programmer. So why is everyone telling you to spend $3,000 and build your own website? Somewhere along the way, selling bread turned into a tech project. You want to bring a few loaves to Saturday market and take a few pre-orders, and suddenly it's buy a domain, learn a builder, wire up a cart, and give up a weekend you don't have. What a customer needs from you is a much shorter list. One place to see what you baked this week, where you'll be, and when. A way to order ahead so the loaf they drove for is still there. And a way to stay in touch. The website was never the hard part. The business is. I learned that under a green tent, selling 80 to 90 loaves on a good Saturday. The morning I sold out before noon, it had nothing to do with a website. I knew my numbers and I had a system. That's how From Oven to Market is built. 9 modules, in the order I wish someone had handed me. Legal setup, true cost, pricing, insurance, branding, and selling at market. And the part that surprises people? While you work through the course, your storefront gets built in the background. The Recipe Pantry Pro helps you know your numbers, scale your recipes, and price your bread with confidence. The Storefront Builder gives your customers a simple place to see what's fresh, pre-order, and find you on market day. And From Oven to Market brings it all together: the baking, the business, the pricing, the presentation, and the path to selling with confidence. Come find us at From Oven to Market on School. Come bake with us.